Hi guys, Miles and Giles here, and we have some super exciting news to share with you.
We became a certified B Corp back in 2018, and it was a huge milestone for us, both personally and as a company. But we knew that was just the beginning of the journey. We couldn't be happier to share how we've now gone on to recertify, and we've become a bigger and better company. Here's how we've done it.
So from all of us in the Mindful Chef family, a huge thank you for helping us use our business as a force for good. We could not have done it without you, our incredible community.